Hi everyone, my name is Erin, and today I want to talk to you about something that completely changed my life. You know those times when you feel completely drained, like you don't have the energy for anything? Not your daily activities, not the gym, and definitely not even your mood. It's like you're stuck in a rut, feeling weak and unmotivated, and even down about yourself and everything in between. Trust me, I get it. I've been there too, and it's incredibly frustrating. But thankfully, I'm not in that place anymore, and that's all thanks to something called Moringa Magic. Today, I'm going to tell you all about this supplement that made such a huge difference in my life. Plus, there's an important warning you need to hear before deciding to get it. So stick around. First, let me just say that the feelings I mentioned earlier, low energy, no motivation, poor sleep, are actually super common. It doesn't matter how old you are or what your lifestyle is. Sometimes, life piles on too much stress, anxiety, and overwork. It all adds up, and before you know it, you're feeling like you've hit a wall. You're tired all the time. Your energy is gone. Your health feels off. And you can't even sleep properly. That's where Moringa Magic comes in. Let me tell you, it's been a game changer for me. First off, Moringa Magic is 100% natural. There are no chemicals, just organic ingredients. It's a super healthy supplement with a powerful mix of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and proteins. Basically, everything your body needs to feel good and function at its best. A lot of the time, feeling exhausted, stressed, or burned out comes down to not getting enough of the right vitamins and nutrients. Doctors and scientists always stress the importance of fueling our bodies properly, and that's exactly what Moringa Magic gives you. It's all in one simple formula, which is why it's so effective. This supplement does wonders. It boosts your energy levels, helps you feel more motivated, reduces stress and anxiety, improves mental clarity, and even gives you better performance at the gym. Plus, it helps you sleep better, which is a huge deal when it comes to overall health. Oh, and if you're looking to lose weight, Moringa Magic can help with that too. When your body has all the nutrients it needs, it doesn't feel the need to hold on to fat stores anymore, making it easier to shed excess weight. It's honestly amazing, but here's the thing, you have to be consistent. Take it every day and you'll start seeing results. Now here's the important part. Only buy Moringa Magic from the official website. It's not sold anywhere else. That's why I made sure to include the official link in the description box below. This is the only place you can get the real deal straight from the manufacturer. On the official site, you'll find all the detailed information about the product, including the full ingredient list and testimonials from people who've used it. It's definitely worth checking out. So go ahead and take a look. You won't regret it.